how to block ads on Facebook. So let's head to the Facebook app. Then go to your profile. Now you have to scroll till the bottom and you'll see settings and privacy. From here you have to select the settings option. Then again scroll till the bottom. Here you'll see the segment for advertisements. Now you have to select Ad Preferences. Now under the segment of advertisers, you should be able to see the recent advertisement that appeared on your feed. As there was no recent advertisement on my feed, there is nothing to see here, but for you a list should appear. Right beside the recent ad, you should see an option that says Hide. Now you have to manually select Hide on every single advertisements that appear in this list. And once you have done that, go to the section of Ad and Topics. Now go on and click on the ad topic. Then from the two of the options available, you have to click on Show Less Ads about this topic. You again have to manually do this for every single topic that is on the list. And once you have done that, let's again head back. Now it is time for you to go to Ad Settings. Once that you are here, you have to scroll and then you have to select categories used to reach you. Once that you are in this interface, you again have to scroll and select other categories. Now again manually you have to click on Remove for every single one on the list. Once you are done, again head back. Under Profile Information, you'll see some categories. You'll have to disable these. Disable the categories because they might reach you, and once you have done that, you should be able to see less ads on your feed or no advertisements at all. Hope I was able to help you and thank you for watching.